Good morning, judges. Over the past 24 hours, my group and I have developed a program that includes three fully functional games, which included trivia, hangman, and tic-tac-toe. Those games are meant to entertain those who are self-quarantining and those who want to learn more about the coronavirus. Without further ado, let's get into explaining game number one, trivia.
For the first game, we made a trivia game that is incorporating questions regarding the current global pandemic. So basically, we had a set of 10 COVID related true or false questions, and each of them had its own corresponding answer. We first originally wanted to give multiple attempts for each question, but it turned out to be too easy. We then removed the multiple attempts so that if the user got the question wrong, it would automatically tell them the right answer and move on to the next question. We ultimately used a global variable, while loop, and a bunch of inputs to code our trivia game, so that it is completely functional, entertaining, and informative at the same time.
As you can see, Akil demoed the program as Anish talked about it. For the second game, we made a COVID-based game that merged two different genres together. These genres being a classic hangman and information about coronavirus. Instead of the normal hangman, though, we incorporated principles from COVID-19 to inform them of key terms expanding off of the trivia.
To make Hangman, we utilized a lot of while loops and if loops with incremental operators and count variables for the guess checking part of the program. Overall, this is a fun COVID-related Hangman, which is really entertaining to play with your friends and family or even yourself.
As you can see, Kona is demoing this part of the program as well, and the code is on the right with all the different key terms we used. For the last game, this one was different from the other games because it didn't include any information about COVID. We wanted to give a refresher from the other information-based games we programmed and made the last game classic tic-tac-toe for users to enjoy and have fun. This program first incorporated a grid using indexes in Python to access numbers and to put X's and O's based on the index.
We then incorporate a count method and for and if loops. We use these loops to find out every scenario for which the X's and O's became three in a row, which would make the user win. Those are the three games that we made for our project. We also developed a way to merge all three of the codes so that each game would come consecutively right after the game before.
We tried to make the games come right after each other as efficiently as possible, and I think that we did a pretty good job at making this project with the time constraints we had.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope that you liked our innovative project to solve the problem of boredom during quarantine.
We hope you all have a good rest of your day.